Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you'll learn how to introduce yourself in English with simple and clear sentences. Let's begin. Basic self-introduction. My name is Jack. I am 10 years old. I am from Japan. I am a student. I study in grade 5. I go to ABC school. I live with my family. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a doctor. My mother is a teacher. Interests and hobbies. I like reading books. I enjoy playing football. My favorite subject is English. I love watching cartoons. I also enjoy drawing and coloring. Personality and dreams. I am a friendly and kind boy. I try to help others. My ambition is to become a teacher. I want to teach kids and help them learn. Thank you for watching. Now you try introducing yourself in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English learning videos. See you next time. Bye.